Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And this is a very short video. I just wanted to show you the completed Christmas card from Make Market that I purchased a few months ago from Michael's. This company actually has a few Christmas cards. This one, Snowflake, Santa, and Christmas tree. So my daughter completed the Christmas tree one. That's how it looks. It was a really very nice card. It actually came with special drills, as you can see it, as Christmas tree ornaments. The rest were resin drills, and one more color was white AB that symbolizes snow. It turned out really very nice. Look at that. Beautiful, so to say, handmade Christmas card. Most likely I will leave these ones for next year. I totally forgot about them. So tomorrow is Orthodox Christmas, the 7th of January, and we are going to give one of them to a lady in the church that likes my daughter very much. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't show the sparkle. It is way more intense than what you see on the camera. So this is the first thing that I wanted to show you. And the next one is my new work in progress, my new project, Santa, from the same company, Make Market, but it had a different name, Art Minds, since it was purchased 2 years ago. So finally I started diamond painting it. I didn't really accomplish much at this point, maybe like 20% of it, but I started working on it yesterday night, and that's how much I completed. Hopefully I will be done by the end of the next week. It is being diamond painted really very easy. It has a lot of color blocking, although there is confetti as well, and as you could probably notice, I did a few customizations to this kit. It came with resin drills only, but I added white AB diamonds, and I replaced resin drills with sparklers on the lantern. That's how it looks. And that's pretty much it for today. Just wanted to give you a heads up or an update of what to expect in the near future. Most likely I will upload a post review of this Santa next weekend. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.